Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches and welcome to a special unboxing episode. A highly anticipated unboxing for me anyway. About 2.5 weeks ago, I learned about the new Tudor Black Bay release, Black Bay 58, and I reached out to my man Omar at Club Jibarito in Old San Juan, Puerto Rico. He helped me procure this Black Bay 58 here, the original, I guess you could say the original Black Bay 58. And so I reached out to him, and he got me one as soon as he could. So while we have a few moments together before I get this open, please like this video. It really helps me out. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider to subscribe and click that bell icon to get updates every time I upload new videos. I love making these videos, and I hope you like them too. Nice little letter. I'll read that in a little while. And if you are a subscriber already, I really appreciate your support. Ooh, baby. Packing peanuts and all. Okay. So now here it is. Excuse the mess over here. My son was doing some arts and crafts at the table while I was working. And there it is, the Tudor box. All right, alrighty. Let's drop the camera down here. I got a couple of books propping it up because the box was so large. Okay. Sorry about that. And oh yeah, here we go. Let's take it out here. I'm very excited, very excited. Oh, let me take this guy off here. Woo-wee. And there she is. Oh yeah, wow, what a beauty. Okay, let's see if I can. Oh yeah. Oh, that's adorable. Very nice. Let's take that sticker off there. And the reason why I bring up, if you're new to the channel and to subscribe is that, in a short while I will be posting a video, a review video on this and comparing it to the original Black Bay 58. So let's see. Let's adjust the time here. Get the winding up. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Okay, let's get it up here. Get the time going correctly here. Oh yeah. Let's make sure we try to get it right the first time. All right. Very nice. Now I got it on this leather. They're called a soft leather strap. And the bracelet version was not available to me, and I was okay with that because I do have the bracelet version here with the original. Now, Adrian over at Bark and Jack had commented that the stainless steel, the colors were slightly different. So I'm not sure if I'm going to interchange. Oh yeah, that looks great. That looks awesome. Look at that blue. Look at that blue. I might not be able to get it on camera right now, but I will with the studio lights when I do the review. But that blue is a nice, rich, dark blue. And wow, man, I'm really happy about this. I'm really ecstatic. So eventually, I will get the bracelet for this specific model because I do think this watch is made to be worn on a bracelet. But wow, what a difference in weight with this strap. It's a lot lighter. Man, I'm really excited, guys. Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for a review and a comparison video of these two beauties. See you soon.